Stop scrolling. Here are 13 high ROI hobbies to replace mindless screen time and level up your life, broken into 4 categories. First, digital leverage, AI tools, video editing, and building online businesses. These aren't just pastimes. They multiply your productivity, solve complex problems, and turn you into a high-demand creator. Next, mental architecture. Reading biographies, playing chess, and actively learning to think. These habits expose weak thinking. They replace emotional reactions with strategic patience and the hard-earned wisdom of others. Third, physical proof. Strength training, combat sports, and exploring nature. They provide physical proof that results are earned, training your mind to stay calm when every instinct says to quit. Finally, communication multipliers. Writing, teaching others, learning negotiation, and public speaking. These skills expose gaps in your knowledge, build unshakable confidence, and give you the leverage to get what you're worth. You don't need to master all 13. Pick just 2 or 3 and execute them consistently to finally break the consumption loop.